Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Today we have our last topic, that is multiplication. Okay, this is our last topic on book page number 36. Open your books, take out page number 36. Okay, this is your new topic and last topic, multiplication. So, let me explain it. What is multiplication? Look at the board very carefully and listen to me. When you take one number and add it together a number of times, for example, 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 times 5, that is equal to 20. We took number 5 and added it together 4 times. This is why multiplication is sometimes called times. Got it? Look at the board, the multiplication sign. This is sign of multiplication. That is very important that you have to know about the sign, whether it is multiplication or addition and subtraction. That is important that you have to know about their sign. This is multiplication sign. And one more important thing, for multiplication, that you have to know about the tables. When you know the tables, when you learn the tables, you can easily do the multiplications, right? Okay, after the explanation, let's come to the exercise. First of all, exercise 9.1 on page 37. Okay, question number 1, look at question number 1 on page 37, 9.1. Listen to me carefully. As I told you that about the multiplication, if we add 2 3 times, it becomes 6. The answer will be 6. And if we multiply 2 with 3, the answer will be the same, 6. So 3 into 3, 3 plus 3, the answer will be 6. But our topic is multiplication, so 2 multiplied by 3, the answer will be 2 multiplied by 3, 6. Come to the next question. Question number 2, we have 3. If we add 3 times 3, we got 9. And if we multiply 3 into 3, the answer will be the same. That is 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Come to the next exercise, 9.2 on page 38. Okay, listen to me carefully. Open page 38, 9.2 exercise. We have single digit of multiplication, 2 digit. Okay, the first question is, look at the board. First question we have, that is 5 multiplied by 2. As I told you that you have to learn the tables first, then you can easily do multiplication sums. So the first one is 5 multiplied by 2. What is the answer? 5 multiplied by 2? Yes, this is 10. Look at the next question. 4 multiplied by 2, that is 4 into 2. So 4 multiplied by 2, the answer will be 4 to 8. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Next question, 8 multiplied by 2. 8 multiplied by 2, what is the answer? What will be the answer? That is 8 multiplied by 2, 16. Got it? Okay. On page 41, look at page 41. Open page 41. We have multiplication questions, but these are 2 3-digit questions. Okay. The first question, look at the question number 1. As I told you in my every class, like in our previous classes, that we have to start to do our sums. When we are doing our sums, we have to start from the right side. So look at your right side, we have 2 and 3. So we have to read the 2 table. Okay, read it. 2 multiply 1, 2, 2 multiply 2, 4, 2 multiply 3, 6. Very good. 2 multiply by 3, 6. We have 6. So write over here 6, and then first we multiply 2 with 3, and then multiply 2 with 1. 2 multiply 1, 2. We got 2 answer. Write 2 over here. Got it? So last question, question number 2. That is, we have 2 on right side. Look at the board and read table 2. 2 multiply 1, 2, and 2 multiply 2, 4. Very good. That is 4. First we multiply 2 with that one, and our next step is again read table of 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Very good. That is 4. So the method is same, but important thing is that you have to learn the tables. You know about the tables, so you can easily do the multiplication sums. Okay. So 41 and 42, 43, these all sums are same, and you can do it by the same method. You can learn the table, so that is very easy to do these all sums. Okay, let me give some homework. Pages. Multiplication is start from page number 36. Okay, so 36 is our introduction page, so you can start from 37. From 37 to 70 we have multiplication. We have multiplication of single digit, we have multiplication of double digit, we have some word problems, but the method is same, so you can do these rest of questions on your book. Again, you have to learn the tables first, then you can easily do these sums. Okay, so I hope you like it, you understand what is multiplication and what is its method. I wish you all the very best, and thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.